Hi guys, Carlene here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure to subscribe on your way out, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so very much for coming back and checking in on your girl. Quick mention, candle of the day is Fiji White Sands from Bath and Body Works. I mean, if you want to take a vacation without taking a vacation, because you know we on a partial lockdown, we can't go anywhere, like one of those, I swear you feel like if you are on the beach chilling out, smelling sunscreen, and you know, probably envision yourself drinking a pina colada. But anyways, segueing into this video here, I'm pretty excited to be working with Honey Love on this video. They did send me some shapewear to try out. The first piece was sent through Octoly family, so thank you so very much. And then they reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try more of this stuff, and I was like, you know what, why not? I am no stranger to shapewear. For me, I think I started wearing shapewear after I had my first baby, Amaya, and definitely after having Leilani. I had both of them via C-section. So for those moms out there who are C-section moms, you all know how hard it is to kind of keep that lower tummy part in control, you know, and sometimes, you know, a little shapewear does not hurt, you know. So they did gift me 5 pieces to try out, and I am blown away with the quality of these products. Now, their mission is to give women garments that are comfortable as well as effective without sacrificing style. I highly endorse that because all the garments I've tried were very comfortable. They were very effective in holding me in, especially in my problem areas, and they were very stylish looking. So let me just dive into each of the pieces that they sent me and give you my thoughts on them. Now, the first product I want to talk about is the Liftware Cami. Now, they sent me this piece here. I got it in black, but they do come in other colors. I think I initially got it, well, ordered it in a stonewash, and then I asked them if I could change it to black, and they gladly obliged. And what I like about this garment is that it's a 2-in-1 garment. Now, you have the benefit of bra support, so it does support the girls nicely and keeps everything in, and then the Liftware Cami holds your midsection in nicely. It just flattens out and smooths everything, so you have a really nice smooth silhouette. And I also like the straps. They have comfort straps that don't dig into your shoulders, because you know that is one of my pet peeves, especially with shapewear, is that when the straps tend to dig into the skin and then it starts feeling very uncomfortable. Like, I like wearing this piece like just to like lounge around, or even like when I want to do like a quick like exercise, like walking and stuff like that. It feels like if I have on like the benefit of a gym bra and a cami, a power cami, to just hold me all in. And I really like how this works. It has a kind of like band that does not roll up. So if you can see the band here, this band basically does not roll up on you. So you know, I have some like shapewear that tends to roll up on you and then it just does not do what it's supposed to do. That is not this here. Okay, so the next piece I have here is the Super Power Thong, and this is in the runway style. Alright, you'll see me wear it. Of course, I'm not going to show you the back side. We all know what a thong looks like from the back. I don't want to get demonetized. But what I like about this is that you see this X paneling here. This holds in my tummy area, especially where I have my C-section incision, very nicely without me feeling uncomfortable. So it's a nice, smooth, supportive lift without me feeling like tight and uncomfortable. And what I love as well too is that it does come with these little loops on the garment. So, you know, in case you think that the top part will roll over, especially like when you're sitting and moving around, you can hook it up, and they do provide you with the straps for the garments, you know, for that added support. But when I tried these on, and I had these on for like basically the space of 2 weeks, they did not roll around and roll down my midsection. It does have like the boning on the sides, and this helps give you the support and that kind of like silhouette, smooth silhouette shape that we all want to have, you know. I highly recommend this. This is great. This garment is great for like those really bodycon dresses where you really don't want any panty line showing. So it's like a seamless kind of cut, especially in the thong area. And this is very comfortable, very easy to come off and to come on. Highly recommend this if you have one of those fancy evening dresses that is really slinky and snug fitting, and you really don't want to show any, you know, visible panty lines. Next one is the Super Power shorts, and it is a shorts, right? So there is the shorts area there, and it's just in the same runway style as the thong version. Only difference is you do have some leg area that kind of holds in the upper thigh area, you know, and really holds its shape. Again, it does have the loop-ins here to hold it in place if you don't want the garment to roll. But again, I wore it, it did not roll. It has the nice boning in it that does not dig into your skin. It just holds you very nicely. And a very cool concept with this is that this garment is bathroom friendly. That was a concern of mine when I got this piece, but I noticed that it does have like an opening here. So if you need to go use the bathroom quickly and you can't get this off, you could, there is this opening here that you can, you know, allows you to use the bathroom with ease. And this is in the runway style. They do have these in other colors just like the other garments, so it's all a matter of personal preference, you know. But I really like this. Like I would wear this with probably the midi bodycon dresses, or even like the bodycon maxi dresses, you know, just to get that very smooth silhouette. But I really like this. Sent me the Liftware silhouette bra in black, right? And I think out of all the pieces, I love this the most. This is probably the most comfortable bra I have worn in a very long time. This does not have the uncomfortable underwire that, you know, after a while it pops out of the padding and it sticks you. You don't have that. You just have a light cup on each side here, light cups, and the sides are wide and very flattering, very smooth, and the straps are bigger than your typical bra straps. So again, these don't dig into the skin. They are adjustable. They do come in other colors, but yo, I think I'm gonna buy more of these bras because honestly speaking, I just love this. And in case I forgot, I did get all of those pieces in size large because you could put on a little quarantine weight, you know, but everything fits nicely and smoothly. And of course they did send me a wash bag to wash the items in to protect them, which is really nice. There's the brand name there, Honey Love. Love that touch, really nice, you know. And I mean, I would highly recommend them. These are investment pieces, so when you buy it, you're getting some really good quality shapewear. Like, I have owned other shapewear, and I could tell you, I could literally see and feel the difference between the pieces made by Honey Love and the pieces I have from other brands. Like, there was really a lot of thought put into the design of each of the products that I have tried out, and I love the fact that they are comfortable and very effective, and they also look very flattering on your figure, you know, and they make you look good as well. So I just want to say thank you so very much to Honey Love for sending me these products. They do have a promotion going on right now where you can buy an item and take 20% off the rest of your order with free shipping for orders over $75 and a 30-day return policy. So, you know, it's easy as that. And what I like about the site as well is that even if you don't know what your size is in that particular product, they have a search engine which basically assists you in figuring out your right size, because of course we all know with shapewear you have to get your right size in order for it to work effectively. So again, I want to thank Honey Love for sending me all these awesome products to try out. I hope this video was helpful in you finding your perfect shapewear piece to help you, you know, sculpt the body and look all nice and smooth and whatnot. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Please make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.